Vehicle is equipped with navigation, so jumping into our navigation settings there, as you can see, this is going to be the map here. Clicking on search. So search, we can do a couple different things. Start by typing off the address that you'd like to go to, and then give it a second as you type because it will update as we go. So this is going to be the address we're going to, which is the location of the dealership. And there we go. So we can now save it as a favorite, or we can start the trip.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
There we go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
Now, very, very far. We're going a full 20 meters. In order to be able to cancel the current navigation that we've got going on, all we're going to do is press this X button at the top, and yes, cancel the route. And controls up here. Now, jumping into menu, we've got a couple other options. We can change the view that we'd like. The big one is going to be our navigation settings. Starting off here, we've got our map preferences. And as that loads up here, so we can turn a couple things off, I should say. The big one's going to be our point of interest icons. So coming up with things like gas stations or coffee shops, things like that, we can add those in there. Jumping back to our route preferences now. Now, if you're the type of driver that you don't necessarily like the fastest route, maybe you like the shortest, we can change up our preferred route there. Or jumping to the bottom here, we can avoid freeways or toll roads. So if you don't want to jump on the 407 or any other toll road, we can avoid them here. And the navigation is going to take that into account when it plots your route. Last up is going to be navigation preferences, which are our guidance prompts, and that's going to be the difference between the voice that we get and the tones, the voice only or the tone. So as we come closer to the next move that we have to make, what happens? That's going to be navigation in a nutshell. If you want to set up your home or work, you can also do that from here.